Webster. I'm with Angel Kids Pediatrics in Jacksonville, Florida, and today I would like to talk about your kids and their teeth. A common question we get in our office is, number one, how do I take care of my kids' teeth? And number two, when should I take my kids to see a pediatric dentist? When it comes to caring for your kids' teeth, that happens from day one of eruption of those teeth. Along the way in my 20 years of doing this, there have been some different recommendations regarding what kind of toothpaste to use and what kind of toothbrush to use, but essentially you should use a child soft bristle toothbrush or one of the finger brushes that goes on your finger that you may have used to stimulate their gums before their teeth erupted. You can use a non-fluoridated pediatric toothpaste. Those are usually available for kids under 2. But these days, the American Dental Society and some pediatric societies are recommending using fluoridated toothpaste for kids. But the recommendation is to be very, very minuscule in the amount you use. So approximately the amount that would be equivalent to the size of a grain of rice. So you put that on the toothbrush and you just brush the teeth they have, even if it's one, and you start with 2 times a day. It is really, really imperative that you start this from day one when they have teeth, because when kids get older, they get a little bit more picky about what they like and don't like to do. So if you plan to start brushing your child's teeth at 18 months, you will not be super successful. So start with the first tooth. The other thing is to make sure that your kids don't go to bed with dirty teeth. So at night, after that last bottle, it's really smart to brush their teeth. Now I know kids sometimes get formula or sometimes get breast milk during the night, and that is okay. Later on, that won't be the case, and so we'll be able to take a little bit better care of those teeth. As a general rule, pediatricians and pediatric dentists like for kids to see a pediatric dentist within 6 months of getting their first tooth. Now, when kids get their first tooth, there's a wide range of ages. The most common ages are between 6 and 7 months, but some kids don't get their first tooth until around their first birthday. So those kids get to wait a little bit longer. However, it's really, really important, no matter when your kids see a pediatric dentist, that by that time, kids shouldn't be eating or drinking at night. Don't let them, because it's really important those foods don't sit on their teeth all night long. The pediatric dentist or your pediatric office should start applying a fluoride varnish to those teeth as soon as they start getting teeth. That varnish is to be applied every 3 to 6 months. My kids are much older and are teenagers, and they still get that varnish every 6 months. So it's really important that that is the case. A lot of people worry about fluoride. There are all kinds of conflicting data out there about fluoride and what's dangerous and what's not. You should check with your city to find out how much fluoride is in the water in your city. Chances are your pediatrician will know the answer to that question. If there's no fluoride in the water, your pediatrician may want to give a fluoride supplement until your kids get older and start using a greater quantity of fluoride toothpaste, or can actually use a fluoride mouthwash for their mouth. So every city is different. Talk with your pediatrician or check with your city council to find out answers to that, but there are ways to deal with anywhere from no fluoride in the water to larger quantities of fluoride in the water. Your pediatrician is also an awesome source for finding out who the great pediatric dentists are in your area. It's important that you find someone who's a good pediatric dentist. We want your kids to have a great opportunity to have fun and enjoy their dentist and to get toys and to have a good time while they're there. I mean, I know my kids, when they go to the dentist, they wear these cool glasses and they watch TV on the ceiling and they get these toys afterwards, and there's this big toy chest. And going to the dentist is a fun thing for us and not something they dread. So talk to your friends and talk to your local pediatrician about finding a good place so your kids have an awesome experience with their dentist and love to take care of their teeth. That's all for now. We'll see you soon with another topic. Thank you.